This dash cam doesn't just record, it rotates 360 degrees and follows motion like a robotic sentry watching over your car. It's called the 70 Omni, and it completely redefines what a dash cam can do. With real-time movement tracking, it captures activity all around your car, even while it's parked. Someone passes by, it pans, locks in, and starts recording. The design is sleek, the footage is crisp 1080p, and yes, it speaks to your phone through an app, like it's giving you real-time updates from a security guard. But just when I thought that was unbeatable, I tried another one. The 70 A810 doesn't swivel, but what it lacks in movement, it makes up for in raw clarity. A full 4K Ultra HD sensor powered by Sony's Starvis 2 tech, this thing turns night into daylight. I could read license plates under street lamps like it was noon. It even offers ADAS driving assistance, lane departure warnings, forward collision alerts, and its built-in GPS tags every second of your journey. If you're the kind of driver who wants detail in every frame and a co-pilot that never blinks, the A810 is built for you. But the real sleeper hit? The 70 Guardian Dash Cam. It doesn't scream for attention. In fact, it barely makes a sound. No flashy features, no screen. It's just there, silently recording every second. But here's the genius. It runs continuous time-lapse footage, compressing hours into minutes. Which means if someone bumps your car while you're away, you don't have to scan endless clips. You scrub through 30 seconds, and boom, there's the moment it happened. Efficient, undetectable, reliable. It's like hiring a bodyguard that works silently in the background. But there was still one more. The 70 A400 is dual-channel, front and rear. That's two perspectives at once, your windshield and your tail. At 1440p up front and 1080p behind, it covers blind spots that even the best drivers miss. And the wide-angle lens? It's practically panoramic. Hook it up via Wi-Fi, and everything syncs to your phone in seconds. You can be inside your house and still reviewing footage from your last drive in real time. If you've ever walked back to your parked car hoping you wouldn't find a dent, this one makes sure you'll always know exactly what happened. Each of these dash cams was made to solve a problem. Some watch while parked, some see better at night, and some give you two views at once. But the Omni, that movement tracking turret on your dashboard, that still gives me chills. If you're thinking about getting a dash cam, you're not just buying a gadget, you're investing in peace of mind. Every second these things record is another second where you're covered. All the links are in the description. Drop your favorite in the comments. Hit like if you've ever had a car moment you wish was on camera. And don't forget to subscribe. Because next week, the gadgets get even crazier.